Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So, in this video, I wanted to explain you why we'll get tears while we are cutting an onion and how to prevent the tears rolling down from our eyes while we are cutting an onion. So, we will use onions while cooking. In the process of cooking, we will cut onions. While we start cutting the onions, the tears will be rolling down from our eyes. This is because chemical called propanethiol S oxide is present in the onion. So when we start cutting the onion, this propanethiol S oxide will be released from the onion and it reacts with the air and components which are present in the air, and it also reacts with some enzymes which are present in the onion. So due to this reaction, or the result of this reaction is it releases sulfur gas. So this sulfur gas stimulates the lacrimal glands which are present in our eyes, and the tears will be produced from the lacrimal glands of our eyes, and the tears start rolling down from our eyes. So I am explaining again. When we are cutting an onion, a chemical called propanethiol S oxide which is present in the onion will be released, and it will be reacted with the air and the components which are present in the air, and it will also reacts with some of the enzymes which are present in the onion. Now the result of this reaction will be releasing of sulfur gas. Now this sulfur gas stimulates the lacrimal glands which are present in our eyes. Lacrimal glands are one type of glands which are present in our eyes. Now this sulfur gas will stimulates the lacrimal glands which are present in our eyes, and water will be produced from the lacrimal glands. Nothing but tears will be produced from the lacrimal glands of our eyes, and the tears will be start rolling down from our eyes. This is the process which is taking place while we are cutting an onion. So the result will be we will get tears from our eyes. So this is the process involved behind the tears rolling down from our eyes. So to prevent the tears rolling down from our eyes, some members will use specs, goggles, etc. to prevent the tears rolling down from our eyes. But the best technique is, before we are cutting the onions, we need to store the onions or keep the onions in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes before we are cutting the onions. So the problem will be solved and less tears will be produced from our eyes when we compare with the before. So please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.